Most important question that you want to ask your realtor: are you an investor yourself? Okay, you want your realtor to be an investor themselves. You want them to understand the language. You want them to have actually done it. So, whether that means they've owned an investment property, or whether that means they've done a flip, or whatever it is you're looking for, you want them to have done it. And the reason for that is because if they've done it, they've struggled. They've seen the struggles, they've dealt with the struggles, and then they can also help you through those struggles, especially if you're first starting out.
One thing we always say is, it's easy to buy real estate. And for those of you that are just starting out, that seems a little bit like, yeah, right. But really, you'll find that it's easy to start buying real estate. To get into real estate is easy. To stay in it is the hard part, for one. We always say that. But, when you're getting into real estate, that's easy. So you want someone who's been in it, but been in it for a little while. So they've had that, they've been kicked in the teeth a couple times. They've had those midnight move outs. They've maybe had the, insurance issue or whatever it might be. And then they also have, the team that helps them fix those things in that market. So it's not, a matter of, I bought a property, or I have a property I just, started investing in the last month, year, whatever. This is, have you been investing for 2, 3, 4 even years in this market? And if they have, that means that they're going to have all of those things that you're now going to need, that they're able to share with you. So when we say that your team really does center around your realtor, it's because, if they're an investor-focused realtor, and if they're an investor themselves, they have the carpet cleaners, they have the grout cleaners, they have the soffit cleaners, they have the window cleaners, they have the, midnight move-out people. They have all of those contacts for you.
And that's huge. They can they become the quarterback of your team. Okay, so you build up your team and you're building relationships as investors.
Yeah.
That's just so important. But your realtor, and what we found is the realtor is usually the quarterback of that team. So they're the ones you go to find out what the next play is. They're the ones that make the decision as to where you should go next and what you should look at next. And then they have all the team members, as Tiffany said, that you're going to need as well. Why? Because they deal with them in their business.